Hey everyone, and welcome to Gardening with Ben. In today's episode, what we're going to be doing is we're going to be taking salvia cuttings. Now, this is the first time that I've done salvia cuttings, so fingers crossed we can get them to grow, but we're going to give it a try with nothing to lose and we can get free plants from it. So let's have a look what we're doing. So these salvias are what I purchased from BBC Gardener's World, and this is the Amstead variety, and as you can see it's getting quite tall, so I want it to bush out a bit more. So we're going to take the tops off the salvia and trim them back. So we're just going to trim them back probably about down to about there, so that we get a couple of cuttings hopefully off each stem. So let's trim it down. So that's the pieces trimmed off, so hopefully we'll get a few cuttings from each plant. So we're going to trim these down to where the joining lines are and get these potted up into compost. And yeah, let's see if we can get any salvias to grow. So we've trimmed them down to just before the joining lines. So what we need to do is take the leaves off towards the bottom so that we've got a decent stalk to get them in the compost. So we've took all the bottom leaves off the stalks. As you can see, some haven't got any leaves on whatsoever, but hopefully they can focus on the roots growing. So we need to get these in some compost and get these nice and wet so that they hopefully start growing. So we've taken some cuttings and we've put them in some compost. So it's a case of just keeping them damp and watered, and we'll keep this tray filled with water so that it keeps them kind of nice and moist and they don't dry out too fast. So we've got all them watered now and they're nice and damp. So hopefully they stay alive, and we'll have to keep an eye on them, make sure they get the roots taken to them. So yeah, I'm pleased with them. So thanks for watching today's video. Make sure you click the follow and the subscribe button and click the bell so that you can stay up to date with how well we're getting down here on the podcast, on the YouTube video. And yeah, we'll be sharing on our weekly updates how well they're getting on, so make sure you stay tuned for them as well. Until next time, remember, keep smiling, keep shining, and keep gardening with Ben, everyone.